Welcome to our YouTube channel, Chef Buddy. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Today, let us make carrot koftha curry. The ingredients required are tomato, curry leaves, green chilies, groundnut, dhania seeds, mustard, jeera, tamarind, crystal salt. For garnishing we require coriander leaves, turmeric, ajwain, a little pepper, garlic cloves, ginger, onions.
Blend the carrot pieces into dough to make dumplings like this. Now make dumplings in the shape of fingers or whatever shape you like. Make all the dumplings like this. If the dumplings are breaking or cracking, you need to add maida or little basin to the dough. Then make dumplings like this.
Take oil in the pan for frying koftha. After getting heated up, fry carrot koftha. Like this, drop one by one into the oil. Let them get fried up. Let us leave for 1 to 2 minutes and then we will flip over. See the kofta. Roll them like this because we can't flip them over, so that they get fried up on all the sides. Then these, like a few of them got fried up. See, we will remove these. That should be golden brown like this. These are like kofta. These kofta are really healthy. Once in a while frying in the oil is fine, because we can't eat carrot all the time like simple curry. You can make like this for children. They like very much if you do like this. Yeah, it's time to remove all of them. The koftas we made looks like this. Let us add tomatoes to the mixer grinder jar, green chilies, curry leaves. I took like a half kg of carrots. That half kg carrots I took like 4 tomatoes, 4 onions, and small 8 green chilies, little coriander and leaves and curry leaves. It all depends upon your choice and also availability. Roasted peanuts. I already roasted them before, dry roast them.
seeds, crystal salt, blend them all and make it fine paste for the gravy. The gravy paste, we made it, it's ready to use in the curry. Take oil in the kadai, then add jeera and mustard, garlic, ginger, turmeric and a little ajwain. Fry them out. Now add the paste what we made. Then add water. Mix all of them well. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now look at the gravy, it is ready. It's cooked enough and the raw smell also went away. Now let us put this carrot koftha into the gravy. Like this. That gravy, then our curry is ready. Now put off the flame and garnish with coriander. Yes, you can eat with hot rice, chapati, puri, anything, whatever you like it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like the video. Enjoy with your family this yummy delicious curry. Stay home, stay safe.